children, how are you? Okay. Are you finished your previous class homework? Good. Once I will repeat it. Before going that homework, so what are the even numbers? What is meant by even numbers? So even numbers, those numbers are divisible by even numbers. Even numbers are divisible by 2. Divisible by 2. Divisible by 2. So which numbers are divisible by 2? The numbers are known as even numbers. So what are the odd numbers? Odd numbers means odd numbers. So what are the odd numbers? So odd numbers are nothing but not divisible by 2. Which numbers are not divisible by? Which numbers are not divisible by 2? Those numbers are known as odd numbers. Okay. And we learn prime numbers also. So what is meant by prime numbers? Prime numbers means which are having only 2. Which number is divisible by only 2 numbers? It is nothing but 1 and itself. Which numbers are divisible by? Which numbers are divisible by 1 and itself. 1 and itself. Those numbers are known as prime numbers. Understood? So prime numbers is nothing but which numbers are divisible by 1 and itself. Those numbers are known as prime numbers. Give an example of prime numbers. Example of prime number is 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17 and so on. Understood? All these numbers are divisible by only 1 and itself. Itself means by the same number. 2 is divisible by 1 and 2. So it is a prime number. 3 is divisible by 1 and 3. So which numbers are divisible by 1 and itself? Those numbers are called prime numbers. And see here 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23. All those numbers are prime numbers. Next, even numbers which are divisible by 2. So which numbers are divisible by 2? Those numbers are called even numbers. Example of even numbers is 2, yes, 4, good, 6, yes, 8, 10 and so on. And next, odd numbers. Odd numbers are not divisible by 2. Which numbers are not divisible by 2? Those numbers are called odd numbers. So what are the examples of odd numbers? Yes, 1, next 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13 and so on. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13. All those numbers are odd numbers. Understood, children? Now based on these 3, once we will go through with previous class homework. So everybody completed yesterday's homework, previous class homework? Very good. So once check your answers. Worksheet. Take out your worksheet. Page number 10. In page number 10, 10th bit is homework. 10th bit. So what is that? State whether the following statements are true or false. True or false. So first one, total number of even numbers between 10 and 30 is 9. So in between 10 and 30, how many even numbers are there? In between 10 and 30 is 9. Is it right or wrong? Once we will check. Between means we should not consider 10 and 30. In between 10 and 30. So what are the even numbers in between 10 and 30? 12. Good. 14. Next. 16. After that 18. Very good. 20. Next. 22. 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24. Next. Yes. 26 and 28. So 30 is also even number, but we have to count the numbers, even numbers in between 10 and 30 now. So we should not count 30. 10 is also even number, even though we should not count 10. So how many even numbers are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 9 even numbers are there. So it is true or false? True. So you have to write true. Next one. Total number of odd numbers between 20 and 40 is 10. So in between 20 and 40 is, in between 20 and 40. In between 20 and 40 there are 10 even numbers. This is the statement. Is it true or false? Before going to the answer, once we will check how many odd numbers are there in between 20 and 40. So what are the odd numbers in between 20 and 40? Yes. 21. Very good. 23. 25. Right. Next. 27. 29. Next. What is the next odd number? 31. 33. Right. After that 35. 37. 39. So 40 is even number. Now count how many odd numbers are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 odd numbers are there. So what is the given statement? Total number of odd numbers between 20 and 40 is 10. Is it right or wrong? Right. So what? True. So those who did mistake, you have to correct. Understood? Next one. 21 is a prime number. 21 is a prime number. 21 is a prime number. Is it true or false? Before going to the answer, what is prime number? Yes. Which numbers are divisible by 1 and itself? 1 and itself. Those numbers are called prime numbers. Now 21. Is it divisible by 1 and 21 or any other number? Yes, it is divisible by 3 and 7 also. 3 sevens are 21. 3 sevens are 21. It is also divisible by 3, 7, 1 and 21. It is 21 is divisible by 1, 3, 7 and 21. So it is a prime number or not? Yes, it is not a prime number. So given statement is true or false? False. Very good. Next one. 11,986. 11,986 is an even number. Is an even number. You have to find it is even or odd. You have to find it even number or odd number. 11,986 is an even number. Actually, even numbers are divisible by 2. Even numbers are divisible by 2. And one more definition for even numbers. Either 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8 in one's place. All those numbers are divisible by 2. Understood? So 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8 in one's place. All those numbers are divisible by 2. It means if 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8 is an odd number. Is an odd number. 98,743. So, which numbers are not divisible by 2? Those numbers are called odd numbers, which are not divisible by 2. So, how to find? This is a 5-digit number. Instead of going for division, we can check the ones place digit. What is the digit in ones place? 3. If 3 in ones place, is it divisible by 2? No. Because of that, it is an even number or odd number? Odd number. Understood? If 1, 3, 5, 7 or 9 in ones place, those numbers are odd numbers. Even numbers. If 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8 in ones place, all those numbers are even. Here 3 in ones place. 3 in ones place. So it is an even number or odd number? Odd number. So answer is true. Very good. And next I gave this one also. In page number 9, 9th bit. Page number 9, 9th bit. Write the following numbers in descending order. So once check descending order questions. Page number 9. I will write the answers. You have to check that answers. Okay, children? $66,666, 37,504, 8,640 and 281. Next one, 97,657, 95,454, 92,234, 91,321. Arranging in descending order. Next one, 8,979, 8,978, 8,798, 888. And the next one is 76,767, 76,676, 7,676 and 6,767. Next E1, 15,423, 12,354, 12,345, 1,243. And next F bit answer. 68,866, 68,688, 88, 68,686, 686, and the last one 68,668. All of you check the answers. G1. So here 4,89,975 is a 6-digit number. And next 49,885, 885, 49,875 and 49,587, 587. These are the answers. Once you can pause the video and check the answers. Now today we are going to learn additions. Understood? Today we are going to learn additions. Before going to additions, practice zone 7 is not completed. Find and write. Practice zone 7. Find and write prime numbers between 1 and 99. So will you do this homework? Prime numbers between 1 and 99. Next, all the odd numbers between 11,000 and 11,025. Two sums are very simple. So write prime numbers between 1 and 99. All the odd numbers between 11,000 and 11,025. So you know very well prime numbers and odd numbers. So complete practice zone 7. And now today we are going to start additions. So it is nothing but practice zone 8. Practice zone 8. Add the following. For example, we are adding two numbers. For example, 7,256 plus 2,579. Here we are adding these two numbers. So how to add the two numbers? First we should arrange them in vertical order, vertical bit. Understood? Column wise. Now before arranging that, what is called these two numbers? These two numbers are known as addends. This is an addend and this is also addend. Understood? These two are addends. These two are called addends. So which numbers we are adding? Those numbers are called addends. Understood? For example, if you add two numbers, then two are addend 1, addend 2. If more than two numbers are there, 3 numbers or 4 numbers, so all those numbers we should call as addends only. Understood? All those numbers are known as addends. So addend 1, addend 2, if third number is there, addend 3, fourth number is there means addend 4, like that. Okay? Now first we should arrange these numbers. First one is 7,256. 7,256. Now we should arrange the second number. 2,579. Here also 4 digits are there. So we can arrange it under the first number. Under the addend 1. So arrange it 2,000 now. So 2 under thousands place. 5, 7, 9. 2,579. Okay. Next, what is the symbol of addition? What is the symbol of addition? Plus. Now, plus. We should start additions from which place? From which place? From ones place. Understood? Additions, subtractions, multiplications, we should start from ones place. What are the digits in ones place? What are the digits in ones place? 9, 6. So 9 plus 6. 9 plus 6 is? Yes, 15. How to write 15? Here 2 digits are there, no? So how to write 15 in first problem. Add the following: 6,795 plus 3,218. 3,218. And next one is 11,726. 55,980. This is also addition. Two sums are there. 5 plus 8. 5 plus 8 is, start addition from ones place now. So 5 plus 8 is 13. Good. How to write 13? Very good. 1 is carry over and 3 under ones place. Next, 9 plus 1. 9 plus 1 is 10 plus 1, 11. So 1 is carry over and 1. 7 plus 2, 9. 9 plus 1, 10. This is 10. Next, 6 plus 3. 6 plus 3 is 9 plus 1 is 10. So what is the answer? There is no thousands, 10,000s, no. So 4 digits after, there is no fifth digit. 2 4-digit numbers only. So if you get 2-digit numbers here, 6 plus 3 is 9 plus 1 is 10. So there is no number, no. After 6 there is no number. So we should write 10 directly. So it is nothing but 10,013. Understood? Next, 6 plus 0. 6 plus 0 is 6. 8 plus 2 is 8 plus 2. How much? 8 plus 2 is 8 plus 2, 10. So 1 is carry over and 0. 9 plus 7. 9 plus 7, 16. Plus 1 is 17. So again 1 is carry over and 7. 5 plus 1. 6 plus 1 is 7. 5 plus 1 is 6. So what is the answer? 67,706. Understood? So these are like this we have to do the additions. Now once open your workbook, page number 10. In page number 10, 6 additions are there. In page number 10, 6 additions are there. So you have to do these additions. Okay. So this is your homework. Next, additions completed now. Next we are going to learn subtractions. Understood? Next we are going to learn subtractions. Practice on 9. So same subtractions also we have to start from ones place. So what is the first question in practice on 9? What is the first question in practice on 9? 84,725 minus, what is the symbol of subtraction? Minus 33,960. So this is subtraction. 5 minus 0. 5 minus 0 is, we should start subtractions from ones place now. So we should subtract 0 from 5. It means 5 minus 0. How much? 5. These are very simple subtractions. This is revision only. Already you learned in 4th class. This is totally 4th class syllabus. Let us revise. Chapter name only let us there. So total 12. Total 12. We are taken borrow from 7. So 7 becomes 6. And 2, 12. 12 minus 6 is. This is 6 now. So count forward counting. 6. 6 after 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So how much? 12 minus 6 is 6. 6 minus 9. 6 minus 9, not possible. So again borrow from thousands. Here how many thousands are there? 4. So if you take 1 from 4, how much is left? 3. Very good. And 6 becomes 16. 16 minus 9. 16 minus 9 is 7. 3 minus 3 is 0. 8 minus 3 is 8 minus 3. 5. 8 minus 3 is 5. So what is the answer? 50,765. And one more problem. 68,320 minus 24,347. 24,347. So subtraction, we should start from ones place. So 0 minus 7 is 0 minus 7. Not possible. So we should not subtract any number from 0. So what we should do? Borrow from good, from 2. So 2 becomes 1 and 0 becomes 10. 10 minus 7. 10 minus 7 is, yes, it is 3. 1 minus 4. 1 minus 4 is not possible. So borrow from 3. So 3 becomes 2 and 1 becomes 11. 11 minus 4 is 7. Again 2 minus 3. 2 minus 3 is not possible. So again borrow from 8. So 8 becomes 7 and 2 becomes 12. 12 minus 3 is, right, 9. 7 minus 4. 7 minus 4. Very good. 3 it is. 6 minus 2 is 4. So what is the answer? 43,973. Understood, children? So these are the subtractions. Now today's homework is in page number 10. Everybody is maintaining class works. So today's additions and subtractions in textbook only. Understood? Do in textbook. Now today's homework. Page number 10. Page number 10. 11th, 12th bit in workbook. 11th bit and 12th bit in workbook. Along with these, do practice zone 7 in practice zone 7. Practice zone 7. A, B sums. Two sums. Practice zone 7. It is in textbook. Understood? Practice zone 7 in textbook. You have to do A, B sums. Prime numbers between 1 and 99 and all the odd numbers between 11,000 and 11,025. Okay, children, understood? So this is your homework.